everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I've got a yarn haul from the Knitting Network here in the UK. So, shall we get into it and see what I've bought? Woohoo! Oh, nice. So, what I bought this pattern. I bought this pattern, I hope you can see it. It's really nice, easy peasy, a bit more tricky. So it's a bit more tricky, but look at that, guys. Isn't that lovely? That'll be nice for the summer, autumn. So I bought that. Then I bought some King Cole Finesse Cotton Silk DK. Look at that, guys. And this is colour 2816, 77% cotton, 23% silk, 131 yards, 120 metres, and it is it's a DK, which is a 3-weight. So I got 2, 4, 5, 7 of these, I believe. I got 7 of these. And then I've bought Cotton Touch Papaya, and this is a 3-weight, 50 grams, 1.76 ounces, 150 meters, 164 yards, 50% acrylic, 50% cotton, and the colour is 0940. And oh guys, it's so soft, so soft. So it's more like a corally colour, isn't it? So this, I've got 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10 of those. And then I bought some of this walnut tree yarn, bamboo cotton, glacier it's called. It's like an icy green. 50 grams, 132.5 meters, 145 yards, 50% bamboo, 50% cotton, and it's made under license in Turkey. And it is I think it's a DK. It doesn't tell me. Hold on. Yeah, it's a DK, which is a 3-weight yarn, guys. And I bought I bought 10 of these as well. I got 10 of these. Oh, and I think I've got 10 of these as well. I think I've bought 10 of each. So that's that. And last but not least, I didn't have any greens, and I really like green, although I don't use it very often. I really should, because I like green. And again, this is walnut tree yarn, bamboo cotton. This is sage green, and again the same specs as the other, but it's kind of like I'm not sure if there's another colour entwined in it. Not a tweed, what do you call it? Like a variegated. Yeah, really, really nice, guys. So I've got 10 of them as well. And last but not least, I've got a couple of patterns. These are a couple of, because you know, guys, I love my wearables. Next year, I'm going to concentrate on wearables. And that's why I bought the yarn. But look at that sweater, guys. Oh, I got that one. So you can either do it this way, or you can add the sleeves. I think I would do the sleeves, but I don't think I would add that ruffle at the end. I might just do them longer. And then this beautiful cardigan, and these are all crochet, guys. And this is a 2-weight yarn, and I think one of these 2/8. Anyway, I bought that pattern. Look at the cardigan, isn't it gorgeous? So you can do it long or a shorty. So that's the short one and that's the long one. So they're the patterns, guys. So and as you can tell, that's what I bought the yarn for. I saw the patterns first and I thought, yes, 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 yes. So we'll see how it goes, guys. We'll see how it goes, but I'm dead excited. I love this green. I love this, love this, love this. So they're the colours I've purchased. Not my usual colours, guys. Not my usual colours by any means, but they're all 3-weight yarns. They're all 3-weight, guys. All 3-weight. Is this 3-weight as well? Yeah, they're all 3-weight yarns, which is DK. So yeah, so that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed my yarn haul from the Knitting Network. I will put the link below. I'll put the link below for the patterns and that. So go and check them out. I got really good prices for this yarn. So I'll see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.